tao. Importante din kasi yun hindi lang yung magaling kang umarte, kundi marunong ka rin makisama. Nakaka-endear sila sa mga taong nakakasama nila. I have faith in these three women. I believe in their talents. I know that they will go places talaga. Nakikita ko kasi yung determination nila to do good in their craft. Una sa lahat, they love their job. They love acting. They love what they're doing. They have the discipline. They have the sense of responsibility. And also, they're very humble. Importante yun na meron silang sense of humility. May humility sila and sense of gratitude also na sa pagkikitungo nila sa mga tao. Importante din kasi yun hindi lang yung magaling kang umarte, kundi marunong ka rin makisama. Nakaka-endear sila sa mga taong nakakasama nila. Sa showbiz kasi at kahit sa anong trabaho siguro, para sa akin ang mga ingredients to success is that syempre, of course, you do your job properly. You be responsible about your job and you treat people well. And you have a sense of gratitude sa taas. Hindi ka nakakalimot. Yan ang tatlong ingredients. Kung ano yung nasa heart mo, that you have a good heart. Yan ang tatlong nakikita ko sa qualities na nakikita ko sa mga bata. They have a good heart. They're hard workers, and they have faith in God. They're very, very spiritual. They have all the ingredients to be successful in life and in their careers, in their chosen field.